Hi friends, I am Hemavati of grade 9 studying in Mount Litera, Sr.Sec.School at Sivagangai. Now I am going to say about some professions where they use mathematics. First one is mathematician. So mathematics is one of the oldest and most fundamental science. Mathematicians do research in fields such as logic, set theory, abstract algebra, number theory, geometry, topology, dynamical systems, game theory, probability, statistics, and etc. The second one is air traffic controller. Air traffic controls coordinate the movement of air traffic to make certain that planes stay a safe direction apart. Animator. An animator is an artist who creates multiple images called frames and keyframes that form an illusion of movements. Biologist. Biologists study living organisms and their relationship to the environment. They perform research to gain a better understanding of fundamental life process or apply that understanding to developing new products or process. Biostatistician. Biostatistician designs research studies and analyze data related to human health, animals, or plants. The healthcare, biomedical, and paramedical fields. Budget analyst. Budget analysts develop, analyze, and execute budgets which are used to allocate current resources and estimate future financial needs. Cartographer. Cartographers design, prepare, and revise maps, charts, plans, three-dimensional models, and spectacle information databases, often using computer-based techniques and applying principles from science, mathematics, and graphic design. Cost estimator. Cost estimator figure out how much a project or product will cost. This helps business owners and manager decide whether to build a structure or manufacture a product. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all. My name is Sr.Sec.School. I am studying in grade 9 in Mount Litera Sr.Sec.School, Sivagangai. Today I am going to talk about the 5 professions who used maths in their job. The first profession is a scientist, the kind of a mathematics by using the analyzing data and statistics in their job. Because why the scientist is using the maths means it has a meaningful, they needs a meaningful conclusion, so that they are using a mathematics in there. The next profession is engineering. They are using algebra, trigonometry, geometry, linear, algebraic equation, linear, and many. They are using many mathematics. Next profession is the auditor. And the auditor used basic arithmetics in their jobs like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Like this, a basic arithmetic they used in their job. Next profession is a computer programmer, and they use the standard arithmetic like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and the algebra is used to solve the problem in a computer program with a encounter.
My name is Rajesh Pranav. I studying 9th in Mount Razi Senior Secondary School at Sivangai. Now I talk about the topic proportion in a mathematician. Here is that acquires as a very strong background in mathematics were listed as the 5 best jobs. They are software engineer, actuary, computer system analyst, computer programmer, mathematician, almost all the top 50 jobs in the best jobs in listed involved mathematical reasoning and knowledge. This is a list was the result of a compression of 250 jobs classified according to income, future outlook, physical defense, job security, stress, work environment.
Hi friends, my name is Janan Jayan. I am in Mount Litera. I am studying grade 9 in Mount Litera, the Sr.Sec.School, Sivagangai. Today I am going to say about mathematics in all profession and their chapters used in the professions. First, in medicinal profession. In medicinal profession, the chapters of mathematics are used are dimensions, measurement and statistics. In dimensional chapter, use the doctors to take the 2D X-rays, 3D X-rays and CT scans. Measurement help the doctors and nurses to find the patient's weight and find the amount of medicine the patient need. And statistics used to count the number of patients in diabetes or some other diseases. My next profession is architecture. In architectures, the architects use the geometry, trigonometry and algebra chapters. This helps us to build plan for a building or an houses. My next profession is scientist. The scientists needed maths for everything. They will use all chapters of maths. For example, measurement for measuring an height of a rocket or an height of a satellite, and statistics for taking a surveying of humans or animals, and geometry for making a new technology, and so on. My next profession is archaeology. In the archaeology profession, the archaeologists use the chapters called statistics and measurement for taking the notes of archaeological sites and archaeological things, and for finding the time of the archaeological things and sites. The next profession is weather forecasting. In weather forecasting, the people use that probability chapter for in weather forecasting. They will say that the rain will come or not, the storm will hit or not, like that they will say. Thank you and sites. The next profession is weather forecasting. In weather forecasting, the people use that probability chapter for in weather forecasting. They will say that the rain will come or not, the storm will hit or not, like that they will say.
Hello everyone, I'm Sabrina, studying grade 9 in Mount Litera Sr.Sec.School at Sivagangai. Now I'm going to talk about math in all the professions. Most of the mathematical tasks are performed in auditing and accounting work is basic arithmetic. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division are the most common functions that auditor need to know. Algebra used in computer programs to develop algorithms and software for working with math functions. It is also involved in design programs for numerical. One of the ubiquitous applications of mathematics in medicine is use of the probability and statistic validating the effectiveness of new drugs or procedures or estimating the survival rate of cancer patients that are undergoing certain treatments. Electrical engineers use math in many ways in their career. They use math to design and for test their electrical equipments. They use math to calculate amp and voltage requirements for their electrical project. Mathematicians use mathematical techniques and models to analyze large amount of data. They must be precise and accurate in their analyzing skills and communicating skills. They must interact with people with purpose who didn't have extensive knowledge about mathematics. Thank you.